Last year at about the same time, I was biking to Vermont with my husband and I saw that the house was for sale. We visited the place, we fell in love really with the place, and 3 weeks later the house was ours. I didn't realize at that time that there was 100 acres and there was a blueberry field included in it. It is very important that we have a lot of people involved and that our family is participating because it's a major project. It's taking 4 to 6 weeks, very intense, 7 days, 10 hours a day during the July-August blueberry production. There's so many things here up the hill, some blackberries, some wild mushroom. What makes me proud of this place is the quality of the product that we managed to have here. And with all that work, it was really worth it just to see the people really enjoy it.